guys, you're gonna have to ignore the Paw Patrol in the background, so I'm gonna try and talk really loud. But anyways, today's video is a update on Rocky. So if you hadn't seen from the thumbnail of today's video, Rocky is feeling a lot better. So I'll give you a bit of a storyline on what we've been doing with him. So he had obviously probably a bit more than a week off because of the snow and stuff. So the grounds were really wet and it was just like cold and not very nice. So I think, what day was it? I literally cannot remember. Well, would it be Wednesday? I feel like, no, Tuesday. Sorry about the Paw Patrol. Tuesday, I lunged Rocky, and he was feeling, I think was it Tuesday? Yeah, it was Tuesday. Sorry, I was talking to my brother. He's watching Paw Patrol. Anyways, so yeah, Tuesday I lunged Rocky, and we hadn't noticed, before that, we hadn't noticed like him cough for like 3 or 4 days. Just no coughing, no yawning, nothing. So we were like, he must be feeling better. So that was the same with Lisa as well. She hadn't noticed anything, and I gave him a little bit of a lunge on Tuesday, and that was just like a little walk, trot, and bit of cantering. We weren't supposed to be doing cantering, but Rocky decided that we were going to do cantering in the end. But yeah, so I warmed him up as usual. He's pretty slow, and then he decided to go to canter, and he was doing his usual, going really, really fast around the arena and wasn't listening. I eventually got him to stop, and then we tried the other rein, and that time I was like, okay, I can feel that you're gonna go for a canter, like you're gonna take off. So I'd rather him, I don't know, let me tell him than him doing it himself and me not being able to stop. So I asked him to canter after we've obviously done a walk trot on both reins, canter now on both reins. And he had a lot to say about that. He took off, and as usual, just a little running around, and I decided just to like put the whip down, and he's not a spooky horse whatsoever, but I put the whip down, and it was like the slightest noise, and he was like, oh, and did like a few massive bucks, and started bolting around the arena. Luckily, he's not that like strong, so I could still hold him, but he was very, very excited, to say the least. So yeah, sorry, my arm's getting tired. Yeah, so we did that, and yeah, he was very energetic, but he did not cough whatsoever, so that was awesome. Did not cough. So then Wednesday he had a day off, and then Thursday I hopped on to ride him. Again, he hadn't coughed whatsoever, so I walked him around the track, rode him around the track to warm up, and then we went in the arena, and he was like on a mission. Like, he was definitely very, very fast walking. I was like, oh my gosh, Rocky, please. Yeah, definitely feeling good. And then I went in the arena, walked around both reins, did the usual circles, whatever. Basically just letting him loosen up his joints, and obviously I'm not going to be jumping him or cantering him for very long amounts of time in canter, and not really jumping him that much for quite a while. Obviously we want to build his fitness back up, and obviously he's 20 or coming up 20, I don't know, he's around 20, so he is an older man, so just taking everything slow coming back into work. But yeah, so we walked him around, and then I did a bit of trotting. He was good, pretty lazy to be honest, until I put my leg on. He's like, oh, the first time I did it, I put my leg on, he's like, oh, canter, and I was like, oh my gosh, Rocky, no. We literally did like 5 strides of trot. It's like, no, you're not warmed up, and you're only coming back into work. But yeah, he was super good. We mainly focused on, like, when we did a few trot circles, I was making sure that he wasn't pulling, and if he gave me a nice bend, a nice feel, just a nice consistent trot for a few strides, or however long that was, I'd reward him and stop him and give him a pat, and then we'd do it again. And yeah, just rewarding him, doing lots of transitions, and the dog just sniffing the shoes. Okay. Anyways, yeah, and just giving him a lot of praise and stuff when he did that. I'm not really like focusing on anything too hard, like him being round and on the bit and stuff. I really just want him to be all good, and yeah. So yeah, that's kind of the update on Rocky. I'm going to show you guys a few videos and clips now of him. So guys, that was the videos and also the pictures of the day that I rode him. Yes, he did have a bridle on. Don't worry, I did not ride him without a bridle. I'd just taken it off and I was like, oh, better get some pictures. Better get some pictures. Oh my god, Paw Patrol is really, really loud. I hope you guys can hear me, and hopefully I don't get copyrighted. Anyways, so yeah, otherwise you guys won't be seeing that today. Anyways, yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and fingers crossed, we should be back in work probably now. Oh my gosh, seriously. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, a little update on Rocky, and hopefully I'll find something more interesting to film for Monday. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one very, very soon. Bye!